Welcome to the BDQtopia video editing tutorial. Today we will learn how to put text behind person using Filmora. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on upcoming tutorials and more. Let's begin the tutorial. I have imported a video like this. Add the video to the timeline. Go to the Title tab and search for Default. Add the default title to the timeline and adjust the duration. Change the text of the title. Set the position of the text. Customize text using presets. Add the same video again at the top video track. Select the video from the above track. Select AI Portrait from the AI matting tools. AI Portrait is used to remove the background from the video. If I remove the video of the bottom track, then you will see the function of AI Portrait. Let's make the video a little bit cinematic. Select the title and set playhead at the starting point. Add the first keyframe to the opacity. Forward the playhead at 4 seconds duration, and add the second keyframe. Now select the first keyframe and set the opacity value to 0. If you play the video, it just looks like this. You can use the same type of effects at the end of the video. Forward the playhead at 15 seconds duration, and add a keyframe to the opacity. Now forward the playhead at the end of the timeline, and set the opacity value to 0. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing tutorials.